Imagine this. 12 months from now, your financial life looks completely different. Not because you won the lottery or got a huge promotion, but because you finally decided to do something different with the money you already have. The truth is, you don't need a massive salary to change your financial future. What you need is discipline, a plan, and time. Most people think they can't save because they earn too little. But the problem isn't the amount, it's the system they follow. And today, I'll show you what to do with your salary for 1 year that could completely transform your financial life. Step 1. Live below your means. Everyone says it, but very few actually do it. Living below your means doesn't mean living miserably. It means designing a lifestyle that gives you room to grow. If your income barely covers your bills, start small. Save 5%. If that feels impossible, save 1%. The point isn't the amount, it's the habit. Your salary is like a bucket of water. If you pour it all out every month, it's gone. But if you leave even a little inside, it starts to accumulate. Over time, that accumulation becomes freedom. The key is consistency, not perfection. Step 2, pay yourself first. Most people pay everyone else before paying themselves. They pay rent, bills, credit cards, subscriptions. And then, if something is left, they save. But nothing is ever left. The system is designed to keep you broke. The wealthy do the opposite. The moment their salary arrives, they pay themselves first, before anything else. Even if it's just 5%, that money is yours. It's your ticket out of survival mode. I once knew a teacher who earned barely enough to cover expenses. Every month, she transferred 10% of her paycheck into a separate account she never touched. Years later, that small habit allowed her to fund her studies, change her career, and multiply her income. That's the power of paying yourself first. Step 3. Turn part of your salary into capital. This is where your money starts to work for you. Most people use their paycheck to buy things that lose value. New phones, clothes, subscriptions. But the ones who rise use it to buy assets. Tools, courses, or small investments that create new income streams. Let me give you an example. Daniel worked at a small store. Every month, he set aside a tiny amount from his paycheck to learn computer repair. A year later, he opened a small repair business. That business now pays him more than his old job ever did. The goal is not to keep money sitting idle. It's to make it move in your favor. Step 4. Automate your finances. The biggest enemy of financial progress is emotion. You intend to save, but something always comes up. You want to invest, but fear stops you. The solution is to take your emotions out of the process. Automate your transfers so saving happens even if you forget. Set up a recurring transfer that moves part of your salary into a separate account or investment fund the moment you get paid. Once it's automatic, you stop deciding. You just grow. Step 5. Use your salary to become more valuable. The best investment isn't in stocks, it's in yourself. Use a small part of your income to buy knowledge, skills, and experience. Every new ability you gain increases your value in the market. A man who learns sales, design, or digital marketing with part of his salary can double or triple his earning potential in a year. Think of it like upgrading your internal software. The better you get, the more the world will pay for your time. Step 6. Build your invisible money machine. This is when your salary starts generating income on its own. Maybe it's a small online business, a rental, or a dividend-paying investment. The form doesn't matter, the principle does. Your goal is to create systems that keep producing money even when you're not working. Most people wait for more income to start investing, but the truth is, you build freedom by starting before you feel ready. Step 7. Master your time. Everyone has 24 hours. The difference is how we use them. Most people trade time for money forever. The ones who grow use time to create systems that earn while they sleep. Use a few hours each week to build something that works without you. An online product, a service, an automated income stream. Because when your money and your time start working together, you escape the trap forever. Step 8. Change your environment. You are the average of the people around you. If everyone you know complains about money, debt, and stress, you'll think that's normal. But if you surround yourself with people who talk about growth, investments, and ideas, your perspective changes. The conversations you hear shape the future you live. Choose wisely. Over the next 12 months, if you apply these 8 steps, you'll be shocked at how different your life feels. You won't just have more money, you'll have control, confidence, and direction. Because the truth is, wealth isn't about luck or talent. It's about habits repeated over time. So start small, start today, and don't stop. Your salary isn't your limitation. It's your seed. And if you plant it with intention for 1 year, your life will never be the same. If you want to go deeper into how to build a financial foundation, even when your income is small, go watch the previous video, How to Save Money, Even If You Earn a Low Income. It will give you the base you need to apply everything you learned today.